Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about two things. The first one will be a video will come out of some young youths. Man draw down upon them, start fire, you know it got already. Right, you set up in Trelawney. The video is very interesting. I'm going to talk about it. The second thing will be an update on the Apex 87 we heard me talk about yesterday, named Bubba Sparks. I'm telling you, the last known reports that him that Bahamas, but it was all kind of stories surrounding it. Some saying that jail, some say he never even make it well. We have an update on Bubba Sparks. Now we're showing you Apex 87's look on life. Now, let's start with the incident in Trelawney. I don't know if you've seen the video. It's all over the place. Right, the various, the usual post them, the usual page them post it, but I've posted it on Patreon. Basically, some youth are lean up on a bimmer. Right, it look like a bimmer. 3 youths, it's very random. Them in the middle of the town. We know it already. Young youths, right? Nice car, ends off. Okay, right? That's understandable. But guess what? Right. When you're a scammer, when you mix up with the scamming, them little ends off thing there, well, it usually turn out very bad. You see, one of the biggest problems scammers have, and in case you don't know, these are some of the people who I bad mind the most. Right up there with artists and what the next group again, big YouTubers, as I say. So you have to take on me and say with a grain of salt, right? I'll never forget, right? I really bad mind scammers. So scammers, fast money, lifestyle look good on the surface, but them want to live the lifestyle there and live like normal people at the same time. And in scamming, you're bound to step on a man toe, right? You make a man, quote unquote, client missing, or you thief a man lead sheet or something like that, right? Or a next scammer just don't like it because you encroach on him turf, right? But man want it everywhere. Man want chill out and relax, like say, them are law-abiding regular people who have no known enemies. Well, you see a black car pass, and like the car circle back, stop at the man them foot. Let me tell you for the young youth them something. I know say, right, the slow way might be boring. I might not have right now no bag of hot car, and you might not have 1,200 girlfriends when you are 20 years old or 22 years old. Right, they might only have one. But better to go that road there. Because some of them what take up them lifestyle there, not make for them thing. Not make for them, because even without, when we get the video, even without knowing the end, we could tell what gonna happen. When we see the car draw down upon the youth them, and we see the youth them still stand up, right. Better want to stick to find a trade or a skill or something. If we not go turn criminal, at least have some kind of intuition. All one time, everything about the video show you say the man them, say the car will pull up on them, right, I go kill them. The man literally drive on the opposite side of the road. And I said the video on Patreon. The beamer park up on the left hand side, right, and the car going at the opposite lane. Cause obviously in Jamaica, they drive on the left. The car move over in the right hand lane and stop in front of the beamer. Windows well tinted. There is a pause. The 3 man them still lean up on the beamer. Man them stand up and upright and get ready to take with themselves or drive similarly. The man them still a chill. The youth them never even wind on the window. The man them open the door and shut them. So from the door open, you see them youth there, right? Did actually build for them lifestyle. From the door open under them circumstances there. From the car take the wrong side of the road, man are gonna start get boomy. But young youths them probably just start make some money. Life is sweet, all is well. Ooh, this, look one car draw down upon me. In a them life, they are your friend and your enemy. Right? I'm telling you all the time, fast money come with slow pain, death and destruction. When we see the video of the youth on the ground, look youth then. Young youth. The scamming thing. And I say, you understand, when multiple songs make both of them, and there's a lot of hype and thing around it. That's alright. But no, so there's an ugly side to it. And not for your peers them when you go to school with, where you might laugh off and say, see them a fool, both in gone at work, or see the both in gone go do trade. Right, him a fool, me over look how much money we make. Right, no found out what they left them. That world is a dog eat dog world. Right. Matter of fact, my apologies to the dog community. That world is a vulture eat vulture world. So you can ignore what me I say and go make man boost you up and cause it feel good, feel like the man. Right, but make sure say the same way you brace yourself for the nice side of it, brace yourself for the ugly side of it. Right. And when that drop at your doorstep, right, just say, you know what, it was a good run and that's how it go. Anyway, let me talk about Bubba Sparxxx. When I look on your screen right now, who that? Who could that be? This is from a newspaper by the name of Bahamas Court News. Well, I'm assuming it's a newspaper. Mr. Court, I don't know if it's an official thing. Right, but Bahamas Court News. Nassau. A man has been sentenced to 10 years in prison for armed robbery. Akeem Jackson, 25, is allegedly a leader of the Jamaican-based Klansman gang. Jackson, who is also known as Bubba Sparxxx, held up a woman immediately after she collected an astute draw of almost $16,000 from a salon in the Palmdale area. What me telling about Apex 87s? Them not stop until they're behind bars or dead. Bubba Sparxxx being after getting hunted by black man them in them prime when they're at their strongest, managed to get away. Managed to survive one of the few remaining man them from Tesha, with a Tesha Apex 87, one of the few man them to survive. Managed to escape the country. Him not gonna jail, him get away with all of the murder them do at Jamaica. All of the shootings, all of the robberies, him get away with all of that. Him drop a Bahamas, him can start a new life. Right. Fresh. Turn a new page and all that. What him go over there go do? Armed robbery. But him go run at the Bahamas police them. Bahamas is a small place. Right. That's a ton of one so. They woke up in the man, and if I run go and say woke up in the next small place. Police they manage shot him 4 times. Take him gun off him and the money with him thief. So you know say the case solid. Case so solid that's Bubba Sparxxx plead guilty to armed robbery, conspiracy to commit armed robbery, and possession of a firearm with intent to endanger life. Now it look like Bahamas justice system not far off from Jamaica. 10 years. 10 years for all of that. And it's very unlikely man to do the whole 10 years. We don't have to understand. Apex 87s are so set in them ways. Even when you give them every opportunity to win, them find a way to lose. We are talking about a mindset here. We're talking about a mentality here. Your mentality follow you everywhere you go. 87 mentality, Batman mentality. When you left, go New York, Florida. When you left, go Toronto, London, it not left you. Your mentality follow you, come like a shadow. You ever try run for your shadow yet? Anytime you see man 87 in Jamaica and left go foreign and stop and change, he was not Apex 87. You might do a look one thing here and there and realize that right, me get him, I start over again. The Apex them, it gone down, it soaked too deep into them bone. Make people tell about real Apex 87s. If peace, quiet, comfort, is a problem for them. If them go too long without no conflict, them invent one. Them tell you say, make 6 months pass and them and no man in a nothing. You don't see them tell you say, yo, you know some say the boy Simon with you. Boy I walk past me and I screw up him face and yo boy I go like him forget him, yo, him go like him forget who me be in the dog. Dog, the boy go like, yo, some boy go like, then remember me, dog. Some boy go on like say, and then remember one time, yo, wait till more man. I saw Apex 87 stay. People know me I talk about. Who don't know them man there? Peace frustrate them. And then people talk about Kang Tang Taros. I saw Apex 87 stay. You know how much people try save Apex 87s. Carry them gone a foreign, file for them. Man drop a foreign. Give them all work. Right, and I see there, new page turnover. Within 3 months. You say him down jail. Right. He managed to find one. All if you carry him go one place where weapon hard to get. You could have carry him go, Germany or one of them place there. Where you know say, you can just readily just easily walk on the road go by automatic like Jamaica. It no matter, he might find somewhere, he might find the underground. I might get one. Next thing you ain't going up and shooting. You say what? But him they have one work down the road. Right. Him they have one good work. That too peaceful. He need to hear a gunshot of fire. Next thing you hear him get deported back to Jamaica. But him now just come back to Jamaica, just so know him worse than before. Because he was already 87 in Jamaica. Then he got foreign, he learned foreign style, and then he drop back to Jamaica twice as dangerous because foreign style of badness mixed with the Jamaican 87 mentality, that right there is a recipe for disaster. One of the things them we really focus on enough is that enough of the evolutions in the gangs, when they make certain big leaps, a man go foreign, go watch how the foreign gang them operate, especially the American gangs them, and bring it back to Jamaica, right? And then you see there's like a spike, right, in the Jamaican gangs then. Man go foreign, go learn foreign style and bring it back. Right? And then him teach for the 87s, the man say, oh, and then they mix it in the same pot. Right? With for them badness, season it down. When all of that bubble over, and the pot they don't cook, crime rate spike. 87 deported, because we know say not all deportees are criminals. Enough man run go foreign to try a thing. And then you get one link for one work. And papers never straight, and then immigration hold on upon him and send him back a yard. But he wasn't really a criminal. Right? So even nobody consider deportee. Right? Obviously them people they was no criminal before. Right? There was no criminal at foreign and get back to Jamaica. They were no criminal again. But you see the man them. We either start bad from Jamaica or go foreign go bad. When them drop back a yard, prepare yourself. They might come with some style where JCF no know. Because after all of this, when Bobo Sparks done, when him done him sentenced, guess which part them are going to send him? You think Bobo Sparks will come back, right? Come join a congregation and start him on a Pathways International? Let me tell you about the Apex 87s. And long time viewers them remember that video. Some Apex 87s right, beat the odds and get older, Some get tired of the badness, right? Cause age do that to you. Right? And then decide say, you know what? I go turn Christian. Right? As of now, I am now brother, right? 87. I go join the church. Right? Or I'm go turn Rasta. Or I'm go turn Muslim or whatever. Right? Or I'm just decide say I'm go just cool out. Tired of the lifestyle now. Done enough dirt. You know who now cool out? The 300 people in this. Him have 30 dead bodies attached to his name. And all 30 have beer cousin and brother and uncle. Them now cool out. Right. So him not in a position where right, even if him want stop right, and just put on him suit and go to church. And put on the gun. The people them will violate all them years there. No put on for them one. And them wait for him them just want to sniff right, any form of perceived weakness. And they mash him up. Apex 87s, enough time people link me and say, Jeff, I can't believe them man, then kill them man. Them man they stop bad long time. But his victims, friends and families, right, not stop hurt long time. Right. Them a bleach on him for 15 years. Because they know, so alright, him still alive, but he must get older. He must get slower. Right. He must think, say, oh, everything changed now. Right. Different times. Very spooky. The best way if you avoid it is to know by 87 in the first place. There's no expiration date for revenge in that world. It's dangerous. Anyway, Patreon Squad, be up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know. More life. Vulture Squad, stay circling. Bless.